Hi, my name is Thierry from Artinis Medical Systems. In this video I will show you how to import an Oxy file into Oxysoft. After you downloaded your data from an offline measurement, you want to open this data into Oxysoft. Select Measurement, Create Offline Measurement to open any Oxy file. In the window Select Predefined Measurement Settings, you can select desired settings from previous measurements in your project. Click on OK if you do not want to copy the template of previous measurements. A screen similar to the measurement wizard shows up. Fill in the name of the measurement and click on Browse to select the Oxy 3 or Oxy 4 file. In case of offline recordings made with a Portamon or Portalite system, you need to change the files of type to Oxy or all files. In the Data File Info tab you will find the general information of your measurement. The used software version, the date, the duration, and for example the device ID and used light sources. Same as during a regular measurement, you can specify the upload template. Select the corresponding upload template of your recording. Click on Next and Finish to create a new measurements folder. Note that the data is not yet visualized. Right-click on the measurements folder and click on Create All Graphs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. If you have any questions, have a look in the manual or contact us via askforinfo@artinis.com.